please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and follow me on Instagram. Hi guys, it's Henry Sable and welcome to another weekly vlog. This week we've posted another 6 videos. Last week's vlog, some unseen footage of me training with Kaliaaer last year, a Henry v Dad challenge, a training video, and 2 parts of my live chat with Kaliaaer. Go and check any of them out if you haven't watched them already. After you've watched this vlog, of course. And don't forget, you can save money using the 10% discount code SAVZVIDZ on the Kaliaaer website. Don't forget to stay to the end for the outtakes. On Monday, I played golf. I started pretty badly, but it got better throughout the round. We've also joined a new golf club this week, and later today we're going to play there. On Monday night we did a Zoom call with my football team. We did a football quiz and it was Teddy's birthday too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Teddy. Guys, there is so much fluff in here. Like, there is literally balls of it everywhere. It literally looks like Willow has just molted all her fur in here, but it's off of like all the willow trees, and because it's like a bit windy in this sort of time of year, it all just comes off and it's everywhere. And it's not just that we're dirty and it's all dust. On Tuesday we did a goalkeeper session in the garden. That night I did a live chat with the Modern Day Goalkeeper. The internet connection wasn't great, so unfortunately it got cut short, but I'll be putting a video out this week. Also, watch out for more content with the Modern Day Goalkeeper coming out soon. In a minute I'm going to go on a bike ride with my friend. Obviously we're going to still be social distancing, but it's nice to see a friend and get out. We've just been out for about an hour and I'm really tired and hot, and I think we're going to go and get an ice cream. Yeah. On Thursday, the Premier League announced that they're going to be restarting on the 17th of June. There's going to be live football on TV pretty much every day for 6 weeks. I've made some tuna and chickpea patties that we're going to be having for lunch, and my mum can't have any like gluten or dairy or anything, so she likes this sort of thing with some salad. These are really sizzling. Whoops, I kind of just broke one.
Oh my god. Oh.
Someone take crossbar? No. Right now I'm in the middle of a cash cup tournament. Right now we've got 77 points and this is our last game that we're currently playing. We're just landing. Hopefully we can do well. We're actually super lucky, not gonna lie. You just got a gold scar out of your first fishing spot. The outtakes are coming up, so don't miss them. On Friday, I did another goalkeeper session at home. Here's a few clips. Personally, the best bit about lockdown easing is McDonald's. Big Mac. I'm just leaving home right now because I'm going to go and play some mini golf with my mum. Hopefully I can win. She's not good at normal golf, but in mini golf she gets a little bit lucky sometimes.
Normal temperature. Henry doesn't like spicy food, and he's just had some chicken that was a little bit too spicy.
Oh. My mouth is literally burning.
Is it making your nose run as well?
Yeah, it is actually.
And your eyes?
My eyes did water a second ago. It's so hot. Tomorrow I'm going back to school, and one of the projects was to make an alphabet book. So for each letter you had to come up with something maybe that you like or about you. And I'm on P at the moment, and I did pasta, and then I've just drawn like a picture down the bottom there. There is some funny ones in there, and I'll show you all of them in next week's vlog. The outtakes are coming up, so don't miss them. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a video. Bye! Coming for crosses is one of the hardest things in goalkeepers. In goalkeeping. No, I know, I thought I'd... Yeah. In this instance, if the ball is going... so we changed it to 3, so it was bigger and... Sorry. Is either like a free kick, so... Whoa, what's that? So it then represents the game. I've just said that.
Yeah.
Hello there. Now, let's see what happens with the wet mat.
Oh, it would help if we turn the hose on.
There's going to be live TV on football. No, I don't know what I was saying there.